Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Classes with me. In today's video, we will understand about a most important topic and that too with the advanced skill set of replace function. Many people know about replace function on a very basic level and think that that's not the useful one. We have regex and all. I know we have regex and regex is used for specificity of replacing anything or doing the filtration kind of work, but just think if some of the other thing can be just taken out or can be just done with the help of replace, or you can say replace with the nested replace, then why not to use it? Why to go for the harder part or why to go for the difficult part and then work for it? It is better to see and to learn today's topic about the video, that is replace function in SQL point of view. So what we will understand in this video and what we will study in this video, we will understand what replace does in our advanced skill set. We will learn some real world use cases. Also we will do some hands-on practical example. You can see the table in front of me. We will also see how do we do the advanced features with the real cases, right? So these are the things. So first thing first, those who are new to my YouTube channel, very much welcome to my YouTube channel. And let me tell you one thing, those who are new here, let me tell you that how do we learn all the new topics or how do we discuss about the new topics about SQL, about Python for data analytics or about Power BI. We just go in two-way platform. First is the theoretical part, second is the practical part. So first we learn the theoretical part about the topic, then we move to the practical part. I mean to say whatever we learn in the theory, we apply that in practical, so that in that way you will be able to understand like how theory is converted to practical and in what scenario you will be using those theoretical knowledge in real world cases. So for the theoretical part, let's start with what is replace in SQL. The replace function is used to find specific text inside a string and replace it with another text, right? It is working in string format or text format, right? And how to do it? Let us write this in our whiteboard. Okay? This is our whiteboard and we will learn string function today. Okay? Oh, sorry, we will learn replace. So I was talking about string, so that's why I just written string. We will learn about replace function. So first thing first, let's talk about the syntax. What's the syntax of replace? Okay, first you have to write the string or the text, whatever it is all about. Okay, then I think let me tell you one thing. First thing first, we have to write three requirements here. Okay, first you have written the string or the text, then you have to write the old value, whatever old value you want to change, and then you have to write the new value, whatever new value you want to replace to. That is what the syntax is all about. I mean to say, the string or the text, there you will write anything, like you can write the column name or you can write the text, only text, whatever you are comfortable with, that you want to actually modify or you want to change. Second thing, you have to write the old value, means the text that you want to replace. After that, I mean the new value, in that you will write the new text that you want to insert into the column or into the specific text text. So there are some important points you should remember. First point is replace is very much into case sensitive part, means uppercase, lowercase, that is what we call case sensitive. And in most of the SQL environment, this case sensitivity is on a higher level. There's the first point. Second point is like it replaces all occurrences, not just the particular row, all the occurrences. I mean to say, if you go here, where it is, if you go here, it will go row by row. Okay, it will go to row 1, row 2, that what I'm trying to say, all the occurrences will be replaced. Sorry for the spelling mistake. All the occurrences will be replaced. It's not like ki only one occurrence or two occurrence or any specific occurrence will be replaced. It is nothing like that. All the rows, it will go row by row and it will replace all the occurrences related to that. Okay? This is one of the, I mean, second important point. Third important point is, if old value is not found, the original string is returned to the same cell. I mean to say, if the old value is not found, old value is not found, the original string or the first string or the raw data string will be returned again to the particular cell. This is the theoretical part about what is string. What is replace. I'm really sorry. Right now, you might be having a question in your mind like why replace is important in real life scenario. Example, I'm saying, suppose like we have phone number in India, what we write +91, right? So to remove the plus, then we use the replace. Okay, this is one example. Second thing, with the phone number only, like +91 dash, then we have the 10 digits number. So what if I want to remove plus and then dash? For that I can use replace. It is easily done. Second thing is, email ID can be changed. It means sometimes what happen, wrong domain is inserted by the admin. At that time, wrong domain can be changed to the new domain or to a particular domain. Simple. Then product name with some unwanted characters, like in most of the time in your warehouse or in supply chain management, like this scenario comes into picture on a daily basis. And yeah, that's the thing, real world scenario where replace becomes extremely useful and needful for a data analyst. So first thing first, let's see the practical part of it. Lots of theory. Now for the practical part, we have a table in front of us. In that table, what things do we have? We have customer ID, full name, name, mobile number, email and country. You can see that here. And also we have 4 rows for each of the columns. So first thing first, I just want to replace some special characters in name. I will write it? Let's move to the SQL environment. I would just want to remove, not remove, but replace some special character. Okay. What to do it? Simple. You will write select full name. Okay. I just want to show you the comparison. Then you want to write replace full name. This is the string. Okay. What you want to replace? I want to replace this dash. Okay. I want to replace this dash, and in place of dash, what you want to write? I just don't want to write anything. I just want to give a space. Okay, that's it. Let me see here in the platform. Yeah, it is showing as corrected name from the table. Okay, and when we execute it, see what we have received. We have received all those things. Okay, wherever dash is there, dash is removed. But wherever this underscore and dot is there, is that removed? No, not yet. But we will remove it. No need to worry about. This is what I am saying is all about the advanced function. Right now, I will show you the nested replace function in this platform. I mean, in this real life example. Okay. So this is the thing. Right now, I will replace two character in a single query. Okay. What are the two characters that I will replace? I will replace, let me write. I will replace what? The underscore and the dot. Okay. Let me write that. Replace. I will replace the underscore as well. Write this let me show you the nested one. Replace full name this to blank. ठीक है, then what will happen, for this what it will do right now, I will say remove dot as well. ठीक, remove dot as well and give a space from cxyt, and when I execute it, see what I have received. You see it, it is fully done and dusted. If you want to do more nested, then let's do it again. Replace this thing where I want to replace dash to space. ठीक है, now let me show you the skills. Now see, all the things are replaced. We have used 3 nested replace here without the issue. ठीक है, first thing first, in nested in any of the nested query, the inner query execute first. ठीक है, the inner query execute first, then the second inner query executes, then the third inner query execute, and you get the output. ठीक है, you can write anything here, your wish. It's not like you cannot write dot here, you cannot write underscore here. You can write in any of the format, no worries for that. ठीक है, no worries for that. SQL will go and change each and everything to the requested format. ठीक है, this is the nested way of using replace. ठीक है, right now let's change the domain name, like what I have told you related to domain name. So what we have in domain name, let's see. Yeah, we have emails. Let's change main domain, oops, domain name. ठीक है, in this I will change some email kind of things. Email, we will write replace email, then what I want, at the rate, there are 2 gmail.com, so I want at the rate gmail.com to at the rate hotmail.com. ठीक है, this is what I want to do from cxyt. I'm in the table name, and when you execute it, see, you got the output. Is it visible properly? Yeah, see, you got the output. ठीक है, I just want to show you how both of the rows, and let me tell you one thing, like I've told you in the whiteboard. If I show you here what I've told you here, all the occurrences will be replaced. ठीक है, so at the rate gmail.com was there 2 times, so all the occurrence of gmail.com got replaced to hotmail.com, right? This is what I want to show you. ठीक है, right now let's see something else. Okay, let me show you something else. Like you might be thinking like, okay, replacement done, everything done, but it does not happen in the real scenario. I mean to say, in the real data, the raw data. No need to worry about, just I'm really sorry, no need to worry about. I will show you how to replace there as well. ठीक है, simple replace in raw data set. ठीक है, what we will do, we will write select. Let's see what we have, what can we replace. cxyt. Okay, so for phone number, what I want to do, I want to just replace the dash. ठीक है, what I will do, simple, update the table set phone number equal to replace phone number, then I want to remove the dash to nothing. ठीक है, dash would be removed to nothing. ठीक है, this much, and when I execute it, it is been updated. And when I see the right, I mean when I see the normal raw data set by this, see all the things has been removed. Right now we can do one more thing. Let's remove this thing as well. Phone number, I want to remove the spaces to normal thing. ठीक है, when I execute it, updated, now see all the space and dash has been removed from phone number. This is how we can directly update from the raw data set using replace function. So this is the end of the video. In this, if I do a recap of it, in this what things we have learned, we have learned about how do we use the replace function, that is the basics part. How do we use the nested replace function in this name? How do we replace the domain name from all the occurrences to a new domain name? ठीक है, last but not the least, we have seen after replacing how we have used the clean data into the raw data set. So in this way we have learned about replace function from basics to the advanced part. So if you like this video or if you got any proper knowledge from this video, please click on the like button. Please click on the subscribe button with the bell icon, because we do live stream each and every day. So whenever you have any doubt related to any of the topic in SQL, in Python for data analytics, or in Power BI, just jump into my live stream, ask me doubt. I will help you personally with the help of practical, theoretical example, also with the help of whiteboard. You will be really surprised to see how I address all the things in a proper way. Also, if you know someone who is learning SQL on a daily basis, or like who is brushing up their SQL knowledge on a daily basis, please share this video to them. It would be really helpful for them. Also, let me tell you one thing, whatever topics we are learning, I make sure I make the video in two languages, in Hindi and in English. So whatever language anybody is comfortable with, please do watch that. And you know, my comment section is open, my mail ID is there, and also you can join my live stream to ask your doubts. So wherever you are comfortable with, please ask your doubts. So that's all about it. Thank you and have a nice day. Let's meet tomorrow in a new video. Till then, bye bye, take care, happy coding, happy learning, and happy querying.